Requirements are often written in natural languages, such as in English. Natural language requirements are prone to ambiguity. No matter how hard the requirements writer might try, there'll always be a little ambiguity. And part of the skill of a good requirements writer is to be creative in thinking about potential ambiguity, even from somebody who's trying to honestly understand what the requirement means. A joke to this point is, a requirements engineer gets a text message. On the way home, please pick up 1 carton of milk. Well, the requirements engineer is already thinking this is a problem. Is this a quart, a half gallon, or a gallon? But the requirements engineer knows that usually they buy half gallons, so go with the half gallon. But there's another part of the text. And if they have eggs, get 6. Okay, medium eggs, large eggs, brown eggs, white eggs. Okay, but got it. The requirements engineer comes home with 6 cartons of milk and no eggs. The spouse says, "Why did you buy 6 cartons of milk?" And the requirements engineer replies, "Well, they had eggs."